Right there, guys. Today, my friend here is going to attempt to jump down there. Now, why do you think that may be a problem? I will show you why that's a problem. Because there's a waterfall right next to it.
Down there.
And let's have a look down there. Boom! Here he goes. See how I can do this.
Right, please don't, this is a bit slippery, so I might have to take my own time. And does it come in here, can you please repeat that?
He just said that it is very slippery, so it's going to take him a bit of time to get down there.
I'm going to jump. Maybe. I'm going to jump. 3, 2, 1. Oh!
He's there.
It's done.
Will he put his foot in the concoction?
I'll get past it. Right. It's a bit powerful.
That'll do.
Alright, I'll come back up.
Okay. This is the next part of our challenge. Him getting the hell up. Let's just know he's not a very good climber. So he might die.
Yeah.
Just joking, he's a little monkey really. He's getting there.
I never proved that I can actually climb.
Right, come over here Ashley and do your thumbs up to complete the challenge. Oh, now that's another part of the challenge, Jesus. Sorry about that, guys. Thumbs up. Thanks for watching. Rate and comment.